Video ni ene tie clarification board la dira chel ma o commenting video ma ber kalungu nying the late Daniel Soka ni Dr. Daniel Soka. Well, wajani pe gwake pe ber kalungu any doctor beru doctor tak pe yot che a replying yere ki gëna be wajo kanye pe ben we way nying la dirte ya pu way come piani comment ni peraj is just time and which I do respect it. So reply ni at least anano ni akel wa ko kon dan wen ko ngegin ena yani anyway ni beru doctor ni yedwong araj yedwong actual titles yedwong araj I titles dwong mo me giki you me a chill konkane mi examples pa joma lunga ni doctor gidwong Dr. Jose Chameleon mane Uganda kan ngunu ngeo be lewe Dr. Dre be lewe kidong doctor is no Paul joma kana ti doctor by medical profession meno gukwana be doctor medical department ki joma kana kay kwano jema dwong a lot of things you academician Ebinoni, you also earn the title doctor professionally. But then, during any company more I'm choosing to describe a position money ni title like luong kitini despite the role say no pare like in music industry. For example, those who call their head of their music brand president. We have seen presidents of music industries Uganda kan yachuli kan kawa mio example lebino Tamnofi the president me our the Upland Entertainment crew kidong Smokey Alangi the president but after Flames the mix was the president of Valley Cup. In that same position, you're kind of choosing to call it CEO. And then in other countries, there are people who choose to call it doctor. That is a doctor in the angle of a position. And then, ilahin pa Soka Guinea. Soka, Dr. Dre, Dr. Soka, Dr. Dre, Dr. Chameleon, Jomati family am around me example. The title they choose for their talent in the performing arts to describe me their genius in it. It is not all about Kidma Inangamonic. In this context, it's all about Aungatoma and Nanakere. So Soka no longer, the late Soka no longer ni en iti no longer ni doctor. Chameleon longer ni doctor. He's not a medical doctor. He can that's the title they chose. Kadong yino ni His Excellency Dr. Daniel Soka. KD Christo betel ni His Excellency KD Christo. There are those who even call themselves honorable. I don't know petty elected. They are not in the political position. It is just stage name, is how they're well known, is how they choose to be well known, how they choose to describe themselves. Kirati kereno. Gini example sa duong me giki. Ma aneno ni enini is to everybody. Ma ti wakanyo. Like for example, Dr. Dre, Uchago Mege, yes, we're in a natural background. We know when you're more cock kanuni. Lay more be wrong cock. Yeah. Don't care about that. Let it not distract you from watching the video. So Dr. Dre, after Chuck any Dr. Dre, whereas a DJ, Dr. Dre was a DJ, by the way, mixing with Easy E, Eric Wright, this guy here, Ice Cube, old school hip hop. You know, only Dr. Dre was a DJ. Then later on, Jacques Bernard, where rap, dog producer, and so on. Chinoni, Chani, Magalogani. Dr. Dre is a sound engineer. Nan Kitajomilo wow is supporting Danga. He's a sound engineer and he's now the CEO of Beats by Dre, one of the world's most expensive sound engineering with portable Bluetooth speakers and headphones. We have the Beats Pill, this portable Bluetooth speaker is owned by him. Beats by Dre, make a rule which over 3 million or 4 million. It's it again because it is perfect. There's Beats Studio, mono for producers, Mati Studio, Beats Gaming, Gemini Wangte, Beats Bud, that is the extent my job, my work supporting Kilowodge. And now, Kerino don't premier ni doctor. Kerino ni professionalism. He's now a doctor in line of his sound engineering. So that's a reply to Adira Chiel. A foil Adira Chiel Magaloni Lino Gomik Ma Aki Canada. He supported me in that statement and comment in it to make sure at least we bring that clarity in the comment section. And a poem attack nano video ini walegolo bani kumeriki kato tibupa Dr. Daniel Soka ekaberu mekuch afui